Here's how to set the screen color back to normal on your Android phone. Now let's first just swipe up from here and get into your settings. You might have accidentally turned on a couple different things that change the color on your Android phone, basically a color filter or an inversion. Let's check all of that and turn those off. To be able to do that, we need to scroll down until we get to accessibility. Tap on that and then tap on vision enhancements. Now you can see if I scroll down, there's several different potential options to be able to change what your screen looks like. One is color inversion. If I turn that off, everything will go from dark to light and basically invert the colors back to normal. But you might also need to go into color correction here and toggle that off, as well as go into color filter and toggle that off. Make sure you turn all of these off and it will go back to the normal colors. However, keep in mind, you might also need to go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll up to display because there are other things like eye comfort shield and adaptive color tone that if you turn these on, it will basically dim your screen or make it a little darker or a little warmer colors depending on where you are in the time of day.